Hello everyone, I'm UC Davis Chancellor Gary May. Welcome to the inaugural Global Food Systems Research Day at UC Davis, also known as Seeding Food Systems Resilience. This event is aligned with the World Food Prize and builds on the theme of Seeds of Opportunity, Bridging Generations and Cultivating Diplomacy. I'd like to thank the following dignitaries for joining us. Dr. Apollinaire G. Kang, Director General of the International Livestock Research Institute, Dr. Otto Gonzalez, Director of the Center for International Programs at the National Institute of Food and Agriculture at the U.S. Department of Agriculture, Dr. Boichipo Bibi Gios, Head of Nutrition at the African Union Development Agency and Senior Nutrition Officer for Policy and Programs at the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, Mr. Guido Santini, Program Coordinator for Plant Production and Protection Division at the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, Dr. Renee Lafitte, Director of Crops Research and Development at the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, and U.S. Representative Ami Bera, M.D., from California's 6th Congressional District, and all those from the private and public sectors who came from around the globe to advance these critical conversations. I'd also like to recognize today's organizers, including the international research community at UC Davis, the Feed the Future Innovation Lab for Horticulture, and the College of Agricultural and Environmental Sciences Global Engagement spearheaded this work. I'd like to further thank UC Davis College of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences, Plant Sciences, for sponsoring the reception after the event. Today is a crucial time to address global challenges and opportunities in agriculture. UC Davis is the ideal place to host such a gathering. From our roots more than a century ago as the University of California's University Farm, our campus has emerged as a leader in agricultural innovation, food science, and environmental sustainability. Finding better ways to feed a growing planet remains a core part of our mission. UC Davis is the ideal place to seek these solutions. We are the world's leading comprehensive university for food and agriculture. UC Davis is ranked #1 in the nation in agriculture and #1 nationally in campus sustainability, an honor we've held for 8 years in a row. Our agricultural research is key to driving innovation, and the UC Davis research enterprise is thriving with cutting-edge programs across all fields of study. Last month, we announced that UC Davis external research funding exceeded $1 billion for the 3rd consecutive year. One example of our agricultural research is Gemini, a project that received a $6.5 million grant from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This team of UC Davis researchers uses 3D modeling, artificial intelligence, and crop genetics to develop a tool to improve and accelerate breeding pipelines for legumes and sorghum, a species of flowering plants often grown for cereals and animal feed. Gemini has the potential to rapidly develop new crop varieties in the face of climate change. As we continue to address these challenges, global partnerships are more important than ever. Finding solutions for sustainable food systems is a significant component of the UC Davis Grand Challenges Initiative, our transdisciplinary approach to solving the wicked problems faced globally. Expertise in these disciplines is woven into every one of our 10 schools and colleges, from the humanities to medicine, from business to engineering, from chemistry to biology, and more. Through this cross-disciplinary approach, we can build the next generation of food systems. After all, UC Davis is in the heart of Northern California, a state home to the world's biggest food economy. We are deeply connected to the advanced food and agricultural expertise and innovation needed to meet these challenges. Many campus organizations are dedicated to this critical global research. Among them is the Feed the Future Innovation Lab for Markets, Risk, and Resilience. Hosted in our College of Agricultural and Environmental Sciences, this lab empowers rural families, communities, and markets to share in inclusive agricultural growth. The UC Davis Feed the Future Innovation Lab for Horticulture is also on the front lines of promoting global food security. Its research spans both social and natural sciences and focuses on soil and irrigation, food safety, and other critical areas, all with the goal of ending hunger through empowering women and other marginalized groups while strengthening resilience and inclusive agricultural growth. These projects are supported by the U.S. Agency for International Development. I want to thank USAID for its long-standing support of UC Davis, including its base investment of $15 million at the Horticulture Innovation Lab. Today, you will truly see the breadth of UC Davis expertise in agriculture and the solutions we seek. Of course, we're not on this mission alone. Our work often depends on collaborations across the globe. For example, South America is home to the UC Davis Chile Life Sciences Innovation Center, which leverages the strengths of our research to stimulate opportunities and economic growth within the agriculture industry in Chile and California. The partnership has generated more than $6.6 million in extramural funding since 2017. In sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia, the UC Davis Resilience and Innovation Facility is working to transform agriculture among small-scale farmers. The extreme weather in these parts of the world makes this mission challenging, but our researchers remain diligent in empowering these farmers to sustain their livelihoods and support food security. Such projects are aligned with some of our key goals. In our quest to find solutions to global problems, our university seeks mutually beneficial and impactful partnerships in our state, nation, and around the world. In the process, you'll find our students and researchers worldwide gaining hands-on experience that prepares them for successful careers in a diverse global workforce. True literacy in the 21st century demands global perspective. The demand is enormous for students and researchers who understand the power of working with people across the world. People capable of adapting their communication and leadership styles across cultures are valued members of teams, and that value will only grow as we become more interconnected. The days of siloed teams bound by office walls and national borders simply won't work anymore. The most effective teams cross borders and bridge cultures as they work to build solutions for the challenges facing humanity. The most pressing challenges we face, pandemics, climate change, and food security, to name just a few, are global challenges, and we need global thinkers to solve them. So I'm encouraged by an MOU that's being sought between UC Davis and the Consortium of International Agricultural Research Centers. Such a partnership would further strengthen our shared efforts to reduce poverty, enhance food and nutrition security, and improve natural resources. I encourage you all to make the most of this day. It's a pivotal opportunity to foster collaborations and continue elevating UC Davis as a global resource for agriculture. You will hear from some of our campus leaders and engage in dialogue about some of the most crucial challenges in food systems and the opportunities to explore. I appreciate your participation and wish everyone an inspired and productive day. Thank you.